Good morning everybody. How are you all? I hope you all are doing well. So we have completed the chapter addition and now we are going to start recording, or we are now about to discuss the chapter subtraction. Now we are going to discuss on which chapter? Subtraction. We have learned so far that when we add, suppose I am having this pencil and I am having one pencil of black color and my friend gives me one more pen. So 1 plus 1, it means now I am having two one pencil and one pen, so 2. Wait a bit, now let me show you that suppose I had only one black pen and my mother gives me one more red pen. So now I am having how many pens, children? Yes, that's very nice, 2 pens. That is called addition. When we add, we move forward. But in subtraction, we need to take out the things or the number from the greater number or greater value object. Suppose I had 2 pens. Wait a bit. Yes, suppose I had 3 pens. I had one blue, red and one black pen. But my friend came to me and she asked one pen from me. She asked one pen from me, so I gave the pen to her. So I am left with how many pens? 1, 2. So I have taken one pen from 3. I have taken one pen from 3. So 3 minus 1. So it is 1 and 2. When we subtract the thing, we always move backward. In addition, we always we move to the forward, but subtraction is moving backward. Now one question is there, subtract 2 from 6. As you can see, it's a type of or another method of subtraction, that is number line subtraction. When we subtract things, we always move backward. So 6 is there, we need to subtract 2 from 6, means 6 minus 2. 6 minus 2. So in number line, as I told you that I need to move backward, right? So backward, I am just moving backward. 6 is there, now I will go to backward 1 step and 2 steps. So which number came? Which number comes? Sorry, it is 4. Yes, so 6 minus 2 is 4. If I show you, now I am going to show you with standing lines. 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Minus 2 means we need to cut it. 1, 2. How many standing lines left? 1, 2, 3, 4. The answer is 4. Now what this face is saying to me or to you also, subtraction is the small number. Subtraction is taking the small number away from the greater number. Subtraction is the small number, taking the small number away from the greater number. You know it very well. 6 is greater than 2. 6 is greater than 2. So in subtraction, we always take the small number from the greater number. Subtraction 2 from 6. Here with the marbles also, they have showed us that 6 marbles were there and 2 somebody has taken. So how many left? 4. I hope you have understood. Now some exercises are there. 7 minus 3. 7 minus 3 is what? Suppose I had 7 cherries. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Now minus 3 means we have to cut. We have to cut 3. 1, 2 and 3. How many left with me? 1, 2, 3, 4. See? It's 4 only. The same way I have done in my copy also, and we have done so many times in our online classes. So 7 minus 3 is 4. 9 minus 4 is 5. 9 minus 4 is 5. 10 minus 6 is 4. 12 minus 5 is 7. 15 minus 6 is 9. 9 minus 9 is, why it is 0? Now I am going to show you that. You see, suppose I had 1, 2, 3 chocolates. I had 3 chocolates and like Abir came to me and he asked, "Ma'am, I need chocolates." So I gave him the 3 chocolates away. So I had 3 chocolates and I gave him the full, means the 3 chocolates I gave him away. Now how many chocolates left with me? Yes, very good. It's 0. Okay, so the answer is 0 itself. 14 minus 4. 14 minus 4 is 10. 14 minus 4 is 10. 16 minus 8 is what? 16 minus 8 is 8. If we want to do it with our fingers, that thing also we can do. Like 16 means 16, and I told you that we need to move backward. Backward means when we add, like if I want to add 2 plus 2, what we did? 1, 2, 1, 2 means 1, 2, 3, 4. We are moving forward. But when it comes to subtraction, we need to move backward. Suppose 3 minus 2. 1, 2, 3 minus 2, 1, 2. So I left with only 1. So 3 minus 2 is 1. We can do this process also. We can do with standing line process also, number line process also. All you need to do is you need to learn the process. I hope you have already learned. Okay, now the next one. 16 minus 7 is 9. 12 minus 2 is 10. 16 minus 6 is 10. 8 minus 2 is 6. 6 minus 4 is 2. Now you see, in our book, fill in the blanks. You need to fill in the blanks. Right? Wait a bit, children. Give me 1 minute. Yes, got it. Now the question is, fill in the blanks. 11 minus 4. 11 minus 4. How we will do it? Either we can do the standing line process or number line process or counting the fingers. So now I am using the standing line process. 11, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. Minus 4. 1, we need to cut 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many lines are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So 11 minus 4 is 7. So let us write it. Yes, let me write that again. So it is written 11 minus 4 is 7. Next is 8 minus 3. Next question is what? 8 minus 3 is equal to what? Now again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Minus 3. 1, 2, 3. How many standing lines are there? Which are left? Let me count it for you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So answer is 5. Like the same way you need to do. 8 minus 3 is 5. 9 minus 7 is 2. 16 minus 8 is 8. 13 minus 6 is 7. 15 minus 6 is 9. 18 minus 9 is 9 itself. 9 minus 7 is 2. 14 minus 8, it is 6. And 15 minus 4 is, tell me children, 15 minus 4 is what? Yes, it's 11. Very good. Now, subtraction of 2-digit numbers. You see, these are minuend. Sorry, let me show this to you. Yes, subtract 22 from 83. So I need to just arrange the number like this. Yes, 83 minus 22. Here I need to write like this, tens and ones. It is written. Always remember that we need to take out the smaller number from the bigger number. So here you know it very well, 83 is bigger than 22. So 83 minus 22. 83 is minuend, 22 is subtrahend. 83 means the upper part is, always remember that this is minuend and the lower part is minuend, and the number or the sum which comes, that is difference. So minuend is the upper part, just below it is subtrahend, which is the lesser number, and the answer which comes, that is difference. I hope you have understood. Now we are going to solve the problems. So you see, I have already done this in my copy so that it could help you more. Yes, 49 is what children? Tell me. Yes, it is minuend M. 32 is subtrahend and 17 is what? Difference. Okay. So 49 minus 32. 9 minus 2, always remember that we always will start with ones place. We will always start with ones place. Now 9 minus 2. 9 minus 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Minus 2, 1, 2. So now I need to count from here to here because we have subtracted 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So 9 minus 2 is 7. 4 minus 3 is 1. 6 minus 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, minus 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So how much left? 1, 2. You see, I have written 2. 7 minus 5 is 2. 67 minus 45, it's 22. 65 minus 25 is 40. Because I told you that when we subtract the whole number with the number, the given number, the answer will always be 0. So 5 minus 5 is 0 and 6 minus 2 is 4. Like the same way you need to practice. Okay children? Here you know the process is same, only 100 place has been given. 100 tens 1. So I told you children that you need to start with ones place always. Okay, 7 minus 5 is 2, 3 minus 2 is 1, 6 minus 1 is 5. 7 minus 3 is 4, 6 minus 3 is 2, 3 minus 1 is 2. 3 minus 1 is 2, 6 minus 2 is 4, 7 minus 5 is 2. Like the same way you need to complete. See, 3 here, I forgot to tell you that in 100 place 6 means, what is the place value of 6? Yes, that's right, it is 600. In tens place 3 is there, means it is 30. And in ones place 7 is there, means it is 7 only. Minus 100, 20 and 5. The difference is 512. So now this is the subtrahend, this is the minuend, this is the subtrahend and this is the difference. Here also this is the minuend, this is the subtrahend and this one is the difference. I hope you have understood. Now all you need to do is you need to practice. Here also you can see 3 minus 1, 1, 2, 3, minus 1, minus 1. 1, 2, 3 was there, now minus 1. So how much left? 1, 2. You see 2. 6 minus 2 is 4, 7 minus 5 is 2. 6 minus 4 again, we know it very well, it's 2, and 7 minus 5 is 2, and 3 minus 1 is 2. Okay children, now 6 minus 2 is 4, 8 minus 3 is 5, 9 minus 5 is 4. 6 minus 3 is 3, 9 minus 2 is 7, 8 minus 3 is 3. 8 minus 5 is 3, 9 minus 2 is 7, 6 minus 3 is 3. Changing the place. Okay, so now we will need to complete this, and this was for the day children. I hope you have understood. Make sure to practice this, and in the next video we will do the next part. Thank you children. Have a nice day.